Take your cord, find the halfway point. Now make a simple granny knot, but instead of pulling the string all the way through, make a loop. And then with the string on the other side, it's going to fold over once more and do the same thing. Then tighten. It's basically a slip knot on either end. Makes it adjustable. Place it on the wrists or ankles. Pull the loose ends to tighten. Once done, tie a simple granny knot twice. It will secure it in place. Use the proper cord. Nylon cord you can get at Home Depot or parachute cord. They will not get out. It can be carried just as is, or if you like, just pull the ends and it all comes loose. That is a basic handcuff knot.